the lettuce and the hydroponic system. Time to harvest pepper. Alright? Holy pepper, my viewers. Holy peppers, my viewers. Look. Whoa, this tree is very lovely. Right? Jamaican Farmers Hut. H-U-T. Yeah.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn.
Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. And please don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right at this moment, we are in the greenhouse right now, doing some pruning. Yeah, give the bell pepper space, you know, more time to grow and space to breathe. You know what I mean? To get bigger and bigger. So right now we have someone inside the house right now, a lady by the name of Kiba. Yeah, she's working now, doing some pruning on the bell peppers. All right. So my viewers and subscribers, if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Stick around, there's a lot more to come. Yeah, my viewers, as you can see, there's a lot of work done in the greenhouse lately. All right, I'm gonna start from here. This is the last row that we planted. All right, this is the last row that planted. Looking very good. Yeah, just need some water and some more fertilizer, and that's it. Okay, this is the second to last row. Yeah, these are the second to last planted, and as you can see, pepper is here also. All right, so I'm just going through and show you guys what's going on in the greenhouse at this time. All right. Yes, my viewers, there is peppers. Okay. All right, my viewers, I reach where these are the yellow peppers. Very delicate. All right. As you can see, very delicate peppers. All right. My viewers, as you can look inside the gutter here, inside the trench here, you can see, yeah, there's a lot of pruning go on here. All right. So yes, my viewers, peppers, 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 peppers. Yeah, yeah, man. All right, my viewers, check out Campbell. Yeah, man, Campbell, that, you know, way up on top there. Yeah, easy, man, easy, you know. Yeah. All right. Yes, my viewers. Peppers, peppers. Alright, I'm gonna show you, my viewers. This is Kiba doing some pruning here. She's a professional. Alright, I'm gonna introduce her to you guys, so just stick around. Yeah, pepper just started to change color. I'm gonna show you some pepper just started to change color. Look at this one here, huge. All right, yeah, whoa, this one is huge. So yes, my viewers, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see what coming next. All right, my viewers, here is, see that? Started to change color, started to ripe, as you can see. Alright, as you can see, my viewers, these lines here are prune. Yeah. Yeah. As you can see, there's more space. The line is not clogged up. This row is not clogged up because it is already pruned. Alright. Look at this paper here. Yeah. Yeah. This is next to harvesting. Alright, my viewers. As you can see, beautiful peppers. Beautiful peppers. Beautiful peppers. Alright, my viewers and subscribers. I'm gonna introduce you to Kiba. That's your name, right?
Yeah.
Okay, my viewers and subscribers, this is Kiba. So Kiba, welcome to the channel for the first time, alright? So can you tell the viewers what you're doing right now?
Me a prune pepper tree then.
Oh, you're
Me
doing
a
some.
prune and a wrap the same time.
Okay, me understand. So the pruning mean you cut off some limbs
Yeah.
and some stems.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand. See, this line, the first line here is already pruned. You can see all the space there. As you can see here, it's very claggy. Yeah, because it does not prune as yet. And you can see here, peppers planning to get ripe. So if we stay inside here for too long, we're gonna get ripe also. Understand? So yes, my viewers, stick around. Alright, here is very claggy because it does not prune as yet. So that's the reason why here is so claggy. You understand? So when the plants are too much branch, too much leaves, yeah, the plant does not get enough air to breathe, you know what I mean? Yeah, so when the nutrients and the fertilizer into the water come to the plants, yeah, most of the peppers don't get all those nutrients because most of the plants take it away. So that is the reason why we have to prune. About the greenhouse, it's all about bell peppers, all right? Going to check to see what Campbell is going on with. Look on this pepper here. Color is very bright, don't it? My God. Yeah, my viewers. Pruning almost finishing this line here, as you can see. Yeah. Yeah. There's a lot of them is down because of the delicate peppers. These yellow peppers are very delicate. All right. So as you can see. Yeah, my viewers. Yeah, my viewers. Yeah, my viewers. Farm is looking lovely. As you can see, peppers. Peppers, my viewers, as you can see. Peppers, as you can see, my viewers. Whoa. Whole heap of pepper, whole heap of pepper. Yeah. Whole heap of pepper, my viewers. Whole heap of peppers, my viewers. Look on this tree here. Look on this tree here now. Whoa, this tree is very lovely. Right? Yeah, Jamaican farmers hut. HUT. Yeah. Beautiful. 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 Yeah, viewers and subscribers, gonna give Mr. Campbell a shout. Mr. Campbell, what's going on?
Well, yes, man. I easy myself. I do some tying up or something. Yeah.
Oh, you're doing some tying up.
Yeah.
See all the cards.
This how we use and trellis the peppers.
Okay.
So some of them kind of dry rotten, so I'm gonna replace them.
Okay,
Gonna
I understand.
Right. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
My viewers, some of the car them kind of get rotten, so we are gonna replace them.
Right. You may use for the first one, for the first set. So.
Okay. So the little white something, the white name again?
This a clip.
Oh, the clip.
Yeah.
I clip the branches.
Tomato clip. Yeah.
Yeah, tomato clip. Okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay. So yes, my viewers, it's all about farming. We're there in our greenhouse. Yeah. There in the greenhouse. Yeah, my viewers, the lettuce and the hydroponic system. Alright. Yeah, man, I'm still inside the greenhouse and I'm just going to give you a preview of what's going on the hydroponic stand. Alright. Looking green, don't it? Yeah. Alright, I'm back inside of the greenhouse. Alright. Stick around. Yeah, my viewers, soon time to harvest pepper. Alright. So yeah, if you need a pound, put in your order. People still ask me, still no Campbell.
What?
Pepper. How much a pound? When pepper ready?
No, I'm not really sell.
That are the thing.
No, I'm not really sell to
outsiders. Yeah. You have your right. Yeah, my viewers, soon time to harvest pepper. Alright? So yeah, if you need a pound, put in your order. People still ask me, still no Campbell.
What?
Pepper. How much a pound? When pepper ready?
No, I'm not really sell.
That are the thing.
No, I'm not really sell to
outsiders.
Yeah.
You have your right. That's why I never give them no information. Yes, my viewers. As you can see, yeah, my viewers, it's all about farming. Jamaican Farmers Hut. So at this time, I'm gonna be out. So my viewers, if you want to watch the next video, you can watch this one here, or if not, you can watch this one over here. All right. So yeah, my viewers, my name is Ever Slick, and I'm gonna be out. Catch you in the next video. Peace.